Hello everyone, I am Riya Motiani of Standard 9th from St. Xavier's High School, Hansol. So today I will explain you the topic plasma membrane. So when we hear or listen the topic of plasma membrane, we will think what it is. So it is an outer covering which protects the cell from external environment. So in simple terms, it is a layer which protects the cell. It may be animal cell and plant cell. It is the layer which protects the cell from external environment. Okay, so it was the first point. Plasma membrane means a layer that protects the cell. So now let's see. We know that there are two types of cell, plant cell and animal cell. So let's see where the plant cell and animal cell, in the plant cell and animal cell, where plasma membrane is actually located. So let's see the diagram of plant cell and animal cell. Okay, so here I have the basic diagram of the plant cell. So let's see the components. This, the round structure, it is the nucleus of the cell. This, the jelly-like substance, is the cytoplasm, and the outermost layer of the plant cell. Please remember that the plant cell, in the plant cell wall is present, whereas in animal cell it is absent. So the outermost layer is the cell wall, and our main topic in the plasma membrane, it is below the cell wall in plant cell. So the outermost layer is cell wall, below it is the plasma membrane. Okay, so this was the basic diagram which we have learned in the previous classes. So now let's see the diagram of animal cell. Here is the basic diagram of the animal cell. So now let's see the components of the animal cell. So the jelly-like substance is the cytoplasm. Okay, the round circle-like structure is the nucleus, and our topic is plasma membrane. So in animal cell, the plasma membrane is the outermost layer. Okay, whereas in plant cell it is below the cell wall, because in plant cell the cell wall is the outer layer. Okay, so this was the basic diagram of animal and plant cell. So now we know where the plasma membrane is located in animal cell and plant cell. So now let's see the functions and composition of plasma membrane. So now the composition of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is composed of proteins and lipids. Composition is like the plasma membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. Proteins we know, lipids is a new term. So lipids means thick layer of fat. Now let's see the function of plasma membrane. It acts as a barrier between the external environment and the cell organelles. Okay, so plasma membrane, what does it do? It acts as a barrier. Okay, barrier, the work of barrier is to stop someone or something. So same is with the plasma membrane. It doesn't allows, it is kind of a barrier which stops something to enter inside the cell. Okay, so it is a barrier between the external environment and the cell organelles. It protects, in simple terms we can say that it protects the animal cell on the plant cell. Okay, so now let's see the main topic, the main thing of the plasma membrane. It is called the selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. So what is that? Selectively permeable membrane means that the plasma membrane allows some substances to enter and exit. Okay, so selectively permeable means it allows some substances to enter and exit. Okay, so let's understand it with a simple example. So in our house, okay, हमारे घर में हम खाली जो हमारे जान पहचान के लोग हैं या जो हमारे रिलेटिव्स हैं, हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, हम उनको ही आने देते हैं, कोई अननोन पर्सन को नहीं आने देते हैं. ठीक है, तो हम सेम होता है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के साथ. द सिमिलर थिंग और द सेम एग्जैक्ट थिंग हैपन्स विद द सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन, दैट इज़ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. सो It allows some substances to enter inside and enter and exit. As we allow only known people to enter in our house, the plasma membrane also allowed some substances to enter. Okay, so hope so the selectively permeable membrane term would be clear to you. As we have seen that the plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane, due to it the two processes take place. One is diffusion and one is osmosis. Okay, so what diffusion means? It is the movement of gaseous molecules okay, so diffusion is the movement of gaseous molecules, and one thing you need to remember, it is common between both the definitions, is that the movement of gaseous molecules from a region of high concentration to low concentration. Okay, so diffusion means the movement of gas molecules from a region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules same thing as I had said you, from region of high concentration to region of low concentration. So diffusion means the movement of gas molecules, and osmosis means the movement of water molecules from a region of high concentration to region of low concentration. These were the two processes which take place due to the selectively permeable membrane, that is the plasma membrane. So this was all about the plasma membrane. Hope you have understood everything. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.